me again. Today I'm going to do a video of how loud this air horn is. This is a very loud air horn, and it can be used for pranks, sports, or anything. First it was like a balloon diaphragm that came from the dollar store, but then that one broke, so yeah. It was a very loud air horn. I just put another diaphragm on it from a goodie bag, from a birthday party, so yeah. I'm hoping you can see this when I blow this horn. It is very loud, and there's my hearing protection, because this horn is very loud. So I'll just set the camera down and hope it will video everything I'm doing. You see me? Okay. Hearing protection, and here we go. 3, 2, 1.